I bought this $99 course platform so you don't have to regret it later. Click the link in the description for a special lifetime deal on OnlineCourseHost. So what exactly is OnlineCourseHost? It's an AI-powered platform that lets you build, host, and sell online courses without needing a PhD in tech wizardry. The platform boasts some pretty nifty features. AI-powered course creation that works with ChatGPT because who has time to write everything from scratch these days? A built-in student community with multi-level threads so your students can argue about your content just like on Reddit. You get customizable landing pages, affiliate program management, and unlimited email marketing. Plus white labeling so nobody knows you're using OnlineCourseHost. It's like wearing designer clothes but removing the labels. The good bits: the interface is dead simple. You can build a course in a couple of hours. And customer support actually responds. Novel concept, I know. The not-so-good bits? The AppSumo deal gives you 3 courses per $99 code, which might not be enough if you're planning to be the next Udemy. And watch out for that £500 yearly upsell that some users are calling a bit cheeky. Is it worth it? If you're a solo educator or small business looking for a straightforward course platform with some AI bells and whistles, absolutely. If you're running a massive education empire, you might want something more robust. Don't forget to click that link in the description for the special lifetime deal. Your future students will thank you, or at least they should, considering all the effort you're putting in.